Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we are going to share with you the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experienced. There are still few companies who are hiring remote jobs, who are hiring work from office, work from home, so kind of a hybrid job. So that also we will be sharing with you. But before that, if you're watching this video for the very first time, then please do hit a like, share, and subscribe our channel, right? These all information has been shared with you absolutely free of cost. We are not charging anything. So the very first job opportunity is for QA testers, and the email address is deepak.khutal@fiddlesoftyak.com, right? So this is the email address wherein they are looking for QA testers, again, experienced, 5+ years of experience, and this is a remote job opportunity. You should be good in test planning, good in test strategy, knowledge on agile methodology, knowledge on functional as well as non-functional testing, both experienced in writing test cases. So this is for them, completely manual testing based job opportunity. Then QA interns that are being hired for Pune location. The company name is Veracity Software Private Limited. You can share your CV at this email address, and it's a day shift job. It's just a manual testing job which you need to apply here. And it's a QA interns kind of a job opportunity. So maybe 3 months, 6 months, and then who knows, you might be converted from internship to full-time job opportunity. Then Icentris is hiring for manual testers, again, remote jobs, minimum 5+ years of experience, notice period, who can join immediately. Interested people can drop the CV to this particular email address. Anyone who is looking to get a job in the test automation, anyone, right? So this is for them. Selenium with Java with 5+ years of experience. HCL Technologies is having a mass hiring, 50+ people they are going to hire just for software testing, right? And the email address is prasanna.massel@hcl.com. This is the direct email address. You need to mention immediate joiner in the subject line and the last CTC, right? So you need to mention this so that it is easy for them to shortlist. If you're not an immediate joiner, then at least put how many days of notice period you need after getting selected. Then there is a job opportunity for QA engineers, automation testers, location Bangalore. Experience required is minimum 3+ years of experience in automation testing. Key skills is Selenium, Java, REST Assured, APM. Again, immediate joiners preferred, and this is the email address. Capgemini is hiring for automation testers, and here is the referral email address. Please don't scam this email address because there are very few people who are coming forward to help the others. Job location is Chennai. Experience is 4 to 9 years. Primary skills Selenium, Java. Secondary skills BDD, Cucumber, API testing. Right, then Protivity is hiring for QA manual tester. This is a night shift job. Anyone who is interested to do a night shift job in testing, they can apply to this particular email address. 4 to 6 years of experience in software QA, and you need to share your CV to this particular email address, right? Then there is also a hiring for QA, that is again remote position, 4+ years of experience, CTC 20 lakhs per annum. You can share your CV at this particular email address. Then Globant is hiring manual QC, right? February or March joiners, they can join this particular company. The location is Pune, Ahmedabad, Indore. Experience is 5+ years only. Manual testing with API and database hands-on experience. And you need to share your CV at this particular email address. Also, you need to mention all the details: first name, last name, email, contact, total experience in manual testing, total experience in API testing, then total experience in database testing, current location, able to join in February month or not. So this actually opportunity came in last few days of the February, right? That's why they are asking, but still it is open. You can apply, and you need to add the number of years of experience in the email subject. Then Wipro is hiring for Java automation test engineers. This is the referral email address. They are looking for someone who is having experience in test automation and 6+ years of experience. Location is Bangalore. So requirement is Java, Selenium automation testing, API automation, right? Then there is an opening for manual testing. The email address is for the Conduent company. Sorry, Conduent. Role is senior tester QA, manual testing. Experience is 3+ years. Then there is a company Open Growth who is hiring for manual testers, 0 to 2 years of experience. Location is remote, right? So this is the email address wherein you can apply. Then again, Globant is hiring for Java.NET test automation. Location is Indore, and you can share your CV at prachi.jain@globant.com. Then there is a hiring for automation tester at Chennai and Bangalore location. So you can email your CV at asmithapeonglobal@gmail.com. Experience required is 4 to 9 years. Experience in automation testing, Java, Selenium, BDD, and good communication skills. So these are all the job opportunities for software testing for freshers as well as for experienced. We shared with you work from office, work from home, remote job opportunities. Again, hybrid job opportunities were also shared with you. So please do like this video and share it maximum in your network with your colleagues, with your friends, so that maximum people can take advantage of this. And again, this is totally free of cost. We are not charging anything. So please do take the advantage of such things and let me know what other content you would like to see on our channel. Right. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button on this video. Right. So thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.